So we're back with the 69 Camaro, and we're playing the challenge of working with all this aftermarket sheet metal. The gaps aren't right, don't look good, the wheels hit the front part of the fenders, just everything in general, just not how we would send a car out to go get painted. On this episode, we're gonna be tearing in, cutting, stretching, modifying all this factory sheet metal. You guys might wanna stay to the end, this is gonna be a good one.
Yeah, this vertical piece, this side here is sank in, so I've been slowly hammering it out and grinding on it, and it's coming out good. So that's why I want to weld this and this, that way there I can finish, do my finish.
I'ma kick back when you fake like that. I'ma kick back. I'ma kick back. I'ma kick back when you fake like that.
It's sucking the smell out.
And just shoot it right back in the rest of them, you know what I mean? Like, I literally went in every room, every wall, anything and everything that might look like it would stick to, I sprayed it. Which is...
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
I get it, but...
You figure something out, Joey?
I originally put the car together with all the correct nuts and bolts. Ain't nothing correct on this car no more. That's not there, all the door bolts are just fucking normal 3/8 bolts. I had all the correct bolts on the door. So down here, fender bolt. See, I was only halfway holding the fender.
Okay.
It's because this corner right here pushed that way. So we're gonna have to figure out how to push that corner over so we can bolt that fender out right. It's barely hanging on to the bolt right now.
We have trucks and straps. So we yank it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some yanking to get that bolt back where it belongs.
I mean,
Like
even
here, remember how these here flared out? So I came in and I cut it. Now I can bend it back down because the mold they use, you see the benders.
just keep cutting. Cut, weld, grind, you get all your gaps lined up.
So I get all this here done, and I'll just come in, weld all this here up to there, and I'm probably gonna weld on this door. Because you gotta remember, this whole door is pushed back. Remember, I had a big crease right here?
Right.
So that's why like, the gap's not right. This whole fucking big is cattywampus. So,
Hammer it up.
weld the edge of this door up, we'll get it going. I got that straight as much as I could, but I put a crease up here, so we're gonna have to work that fucking out.
Bondo it is. Hey, did you know that they made a Bondo gun? 3M? I don't know if it's new or something, but
It's not new. So,
like $1,300.
yeah, you know how like our panel bond, right?
Yeah, it's a panel bond with Bondo.
So just bigger too.
Yeah.
One side's Bondo, one side's harder. It's been out for years, but yes, it's expensive.
It looks cool though.
Well, it is.
A lot less waste.
Don't need no caption, no, we live in lavish. Drip, drip, drop, I know you see the fashion. I know you see the fashion. This that sauce you never could imagine. Don't need no caption, no, we live in lavish. Drip, drip, drop, I know you see the fashion. I know you see the fashion. This that sauce you never could imagine. Don't be acting trippy, 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 trippy. You know I run your city, city, city. Don't make me grab that 50, 50, 50, 50. Kill a bird, better count your days like calendars. Just that type of Brita you ain't never seen cold. In my dark, man, me pull up with some moles. Better have a bag if you're tryna hit my phone. And if not, you ain't get that bitch. I can't keep wasting my time on that. So, you like that? We live in lavish. Drip, drip, drop. I know you see the fashion. I know you see the fashion. This that sauce you never could imagine. Keep it a G. You know these little stunners ain't messing with me. I'm whipping in cream, cooler than a quick rinse with some Listerine. Petty me, to go and taste spots like a petty thief. But a timid man is never in a sex's relation speed. So I get the check, multiply, snapping next when I'm pulling by. Gotta call it a crib, Jay, where's the satisfied? I ain't got no time. I seem to be what everybody be talking about. I can't keep wasting my time on that. So, you like jealousy and I'm on that side. No, I don't want you following me. You know? Like, you know?
It's like I had this panel underneath there so I could cut it again, and I had no way of holding it here, so I had no gaps. So these ones here will go in and just hold the corners.
Hey, that is awesome.
So I see this is turning out great so far.
Yes.
Getting that all stretched, good to go. I see you got this pretty much situated. What's our plan for this? I mean, because I know we had to cut and modify the whole other side, so.
Yeah, the whole of the fender had to be, the whole back side here had to be cut and moved because this mold they used, they took a 1/4 inch off of this edge. On this one here, my gap is with the bottom of the point right here, and then the fender starts getting cattywampus. So I have to come in and I have to weld this whole edge up. Now here I can grind it with my gap good, and I got a little section on the bottom of the door where it got hit that I got to weld up and get that perfect.
So like, what do you use, or what are you going to use to just make sure you have a consistent gap from this side to the other side? Just going to make like a spacer or something to go in there?
To replicate that side, and
gotcha.
I'll weld it up, and if my spacer don't fit, I got enough weld where I can grind and
gotcha.
And fit.
Well, I mean, we're almost coming to an end on this car, so it'll be nice heading it to paint and go from there. Still a lot of work to get buttoned up here. Hopefully soon. Probably see this thing out of here in the next month.
I hope so.
Because you're just doing some grinding, right?
Yeah,
Hammer.
I'm just stretching metal, grinding welds.
It's your birthday. Best friends in the club, bottles up, turning up. Clap, 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 clap. It's your
From here down looks good, other than that little corner there. But from here up is where it gets wide. You see the door's been in.
Yeah.
So on this one here, I'm just going to weld the edge of the door up.
Got
Because the door is what's fucked. Because like I said, this one here was creased, so this whole edge is back. So I'm just going to weld on this door. Because I weld up here, I have this piece of metal that can take it too. So it's either, do I weld it and leave a bump on that? Do I cut that off? Do I weld
Yeah,
all
that's
that up
weird.
and make it
That
match?
looks-
So
yeah.
I'm just going to weld the door up.
birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
This is where we're gonna have to end the video for today. As you can see, Joey actually got this fender all modified. This section here, it's kind of hard to tell in this here, but we had to take this section here, slide it back, get this line to line up correctly. Then we had to modify the front to actually scoot this up to get it where we can turn like we want. So this is all good, and that's all been modified. We had to modify this front nose piece, had to move this over, just get the gaps right, get them all lined up. And then same thing, we jumped over this other side, and we had to pretty much do the same thing just to get the full turn on the fender. Cut this front of the nose, move it forward. Turned out awesome. Another thing too with these aftermarket sheet metal, that nothing really fits like it's supposed to. So this whole section, basically we had to weld all up down this line here, and then both sides. And then we grinded metal finish to get the gaps like we needed. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.